Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: intimacy. We crave connection on multiple levels, and understanding the different types of intimacy can be a game changer for our relationships. It's about feeling seen, heard, and understood on a soul level. So if you're ready to explore the beautiful tapestry of intimacy beyond the physical, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's start with the type of intimacy we often think about first: physical intimacy. But here's the thing, it's not just about sex. It's about those everyday moments of touch that make us feel loved, safe, and connected. Think about it: holding hands while walking, a warm hug after a long day, cuddling on the couch. These small acts of physical affection speak volumes. Physical touch is a powerful way to communicate love, care, and security, strengthening the bond we share with the people we care about most. Emotional intimacy is about allowing ourselves to be vulnerable and sharing our authentic selves with another person. It's about letting someone into the deepest parts of our hearts and minds, sharing our fears, dreams, insecurities, and joys. This type of intimacy requires courage, trust, and a willingness to be truly seen. When we experience emotional intimacy, we feel deeply understood and accepted for who we truly are. Think about those moments in life that make you smile, those shared experiences that become inside jokes and cherished memories. That's experiential intimacy in action. It's about creating a tapestry of shared moments, big and small, that weave the fabric of our relationships. Every shared experience, from a hilarious cooking disaster to a breathtaking sunset, adds a unique thread to the story you're creating together. Intellectual intimacy connects us on a mental level, engaging in stimulating conversations and exploring shared interests. It's about the excitement of diving deep into a topic, challenging perspectives, and expanding our understanding. This intimacy is more than just agreeing. It's about curiosity, asking thought-provoking questions, and truly listening to differing viewpoints. Spiritual intimacy runs deeper than shared beliefs. It's about connecting on a soul level, sharing awe and wonder about the universe. This might involve meditating together, discussing our deepest values, or appreciating nature side by side. It's about unity and shared purpose, knowing we're not alone in our search for meaning. Vulnerability is about allowing ourselves to be seen, with all our imperfections. Letting go of the masks we wear and showing up authentically. Think about a time you witnessed someone else's vulnerability. We connect on a deeply human level, recognizing our shared experiences. Vulnerability opens us to deeper connection, empathy, and love. Conflict intimacy isn't about avoiding disagreements, it's about approaching them with respect and empathy. Shift your mindset from winning to truly hearing and understanding your partner. Create a safe space to express needs without fear of judgment. Approach conflict with curiosity and compassion for growth and deeper connection. Strengthen bonds and build a more resilient relationship. Sensual intimacy is about indulging in the pleasure of our senses and experiencing the world together in a heightened way. It's about savoring a delicious meal, getting lost in a piece of music, or simply enjoying the feeling of our partner's touch. It's about being present in our bodies and appreciating the beauty and sensory richness of the world around us. Sensual intimacy deepens our connection by creating a shared language of touch, taste, scent, sound, and sight. It's about creating a tapestry of sensory experiences that bring us closer together. Creative intimacy is about tapping into our shared passions and creating something beautiful together. It's about the joy of collaboration, the excitement of bringing an idea to life, and the satisfaction of seeing a project through from start to finish. Whether we're painting, writing, gardening, or building something with our hands, creative intimacy allows us to connect with our inner artists and express ourselves in a tangible way. It's about sharing our unique talents and perspectives to create something truly special. Creative intimacy fosters a sense of teamwork, shared accomplishment, and playful exploration. Imagine the depth of a bond where every touch, conversation, shared experience, and creative endeavor brings you closer to each other. Embracing all 9 types of intimacy transforms relationships, making connections deeper and more meaningful. Embrace vulnerability, communicate openly, and cherish the moments that make your connection special. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.